Good morning, my lovely children. Welcome to our online class. ଆଗକୁ ଏହିପରି କ୍ଲାସ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଏବେ ହିଁ ଆମ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ. In the previous class, I have discussed the translation and passive voice. Today, I am going to discuss the passive voice about interrogative sentence. Students, open your book and go to page number 18. Look at the example. The first example is, do you know the man? This is a interrogative sentence. Suppose the sentence is positive. What will be the sentence? You know the man. What is the passive form? The passive form is, the man is known to you. Can you turn the sentence into question? What will be the sentence? The sentence will be, is the man known to you? Second example. Did Rama write the letter? If we make it positive, the sentence will be, Ram wrote the letter. The passive form is, the letter was written by Ram. If we make it question, what will be the answer? Was the letter written by Ram? Third example. Who stole the watch? The passive form will be, who was the watch stolen by? ଆଗକୁ ଏହିପରି କ୍ଲାସ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଏବେ ହିଁ ଆମ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ. ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଇଜ୍, ଡିଡ୍ ହି ବାଏ ଭେଜିଟେବୁଲ୍ସ? ରିମେମ୍ବର ଦ ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ପଲ୍. ସପୋଜ୍ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଏ ପଜିଟିଭ୍ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ. ହି ବଟ୍ ଭେଜିଟେବୁଲ୍ସ. ଭେଜିଟେବୁଲ୍ସ ମିନ୍ସ ପ୍ଲୁରାଲ୍ ଫର୍ମ. ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ୱିଲ୍ ବି ଦ ପାସିଭ୍ ଫର୍ମ? ଭେଜିଟେବୁଲ୍ସ ୱେର୍ ବଟ୍ ବାଏ ହିମ୍. ଟର୍ନ ଦ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଇଣ୍ଟୁ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍. Were vegetables bought by him? Is not it easy? Next question. Did she spend money? Turn the sentence into positive. The sentence will be, she spent money. The passive form will be, money was spent by her. The answer will be, was money spent by her? Next question. Did Rama build that house? The positive form is, Ram built that house. What will be the passive form? That house was built by Ram. Turn the answer to negative form. The answer will be, was that house built by Ram? Next question. Do they finish the work? The positive form is, they finish the work. The passive form is, the work is finished by them. Turn the sentence into negative form. What will be the answer? The answer will be, is the work finished by them? Next question. Who sold it? The answer will be, who was it sold by? Next question. Who drew the picture? The answer will be, who was the picture drawn by? Next question is, did you light the lamp? The answer will be, was the lamp lighted by you? Next question. Does he thank his friends? The answer will be, are his friends thanked by him? Next question is, what did he do with money? The answer will be, what was done with money by him? Next question. How many books did they buy? The answer will be, how many books were bought by them? Next question. Who bought that car? The answer will be, who was that car bought by? Next question. When did he begin the work? The answer will be, when does the work begun by him? Next question. How was it done? The answer will be, how did they do it? Next question. Who was the tiger killed by? The answer will be who killed the tiger. Next number is change the voice. First question. The tiger killed a cow. Who killed a cow? The tiger killed a cow. So the tiger is subject. Cow is object. Object comes first in case of passive voice. The answer is the cow was killed by the tiger. Next question. She paid the money. What will be the answer? The answer is the money was paid by her. Next number. He made a mistake. What will be the answer? The answer will be a mistake was made by him. Next question. She sang the song. The answer is the song was sung by her. Next question. He took the money. The answer is the money was taken by him. Next question. The goat ate the rose plant. Who ate the rose plant? The goat ate the rose plant. What did the goat eat? The goat ate the plant. So the goat is subject. Rose plant is object. Object comes first in case of passive voice. So the answer is the rose plant was eaten by the goat. Next question. My uncle sold the car. The answer will be the car was sold by my uncle. Next question. The Pradhanacharya awarded Mohan. Who awarded Mohan? The Pradhanacharya awarded Mohan. So the Pradhanacharya is subject. Mohan is object. Object comes first in case of passive voice. The answer will be Mohan was awarded by the Pradhanacharya. Next question. The girl heard a noise. The answer will be a noise was heard by the girl. Next question. You swept the room. The answer will be the room was swept by you. Next question. Nobody was helped. The answer will be they helped by nobody. Next number. The glass was broken. The answer will be someone broke the glass. Next question. All his land was sold. The answer will be he sold all his land. Next question. Someone broke the door. The answer will be the door was broken. Next question. She lost the purse. The answer will be the purse was lost by her. Next question. Nothing was left there. The answer will be they left nothing there. Next question. The parcel was posted today. The answer will be they posted the parcel today. Next question. She was given a new book. The answer will be someone gave her a new book. Next question. The thief was not arrested. The answer will be the police did not arrest the thief. Next question. He was asked a lot of questions. The answer will be people asked him a lot of questions. ଆଗକୁ ଏହିପରି କ୍ଲାସ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଏବେ ହିଁ ଆମ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ।